Hello, Nickomatic sales team. This is Phil. Today is the training for Crimp Interconnect Systems Part 3. We've talked about Nickomatic's percentage of market. We've talked a little bit about the contacts. Today we're going to go into the plastics that go with contacts. So we can describe what housings are being used and what that percentage of it is. First, I want to describe our OF housing, which is a standard housing. It is non-polarizing, no latching. It's about 3/4 of the market. It'll mate to standard pin headers, any square male pin. Our competitors make a very similar version of that, and it's just important for you to recognize that. The next is a polarizing version that's non-locking. These have products that will work so that you could not plug them into a header backwards or upside down. Detent is a version from our friends at Tyco, and it's basically a retention feature. It's a little bump in it, and it's about 2% of market. And the last one is a latching version of the housing, the plastic. That would be about 18%. Be aware that Nickomatic's version of all of these will fit on the same contact. So we put a female contact on your product, and we can put any of these housings on it as a standard. So if you take a little bit more of a view of what mates to what, the OF housing mates to pin headers, and these pin headers, whether you get them from Nickomatic or any of our competitors, are always the same. Latching housings, we have actually 3 versions of the latching housing, but the OL is a Tyco version, the OM is a Molex version, and they will be received by either their counterparts in Molex and Tyco or Nickomatic with the 1L. The 2E is the polarizing, and we have the 1Y. We also get involved with 2-row versions, the 4F and the 4E, as you find according. Just to talk a little bit about our competitors, certainly the FCI Clincher is available as a standard non-latching, non-polarizing version. Tyco also has it. Molex also has it. But we have another version that most of our competitors do not have. First is the 7F, which allows for right angle bending of the contacts. The 2-row version is only available by Tyco and us, so it's a nice selling feature. We'll get them